We hunt and fish and gather for that. You know, we're not an agrarian culture. We're still hunter-gatherers. The farthest reaches, and you know, they're not going to experience it the way we are. Yeah, we live it day by day. We see it year by year. We see the changes happening.
Yeah, but anyways, it's getting harder and harder. Ice is getting thinner every year. And then we got fall time, we got rain for like weeks. And the raindrops are like that big. Like a hailstone.
Just he could have learned like within 2 fishing trips.
I didn't trust going on the river that much because it wasn't really cold. So I didn't go fishing, even though I wanted to go fishing, but I was scared.